How to turn on or turn off bearing on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn on or turn off call bearing on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch the phone application on your mobile device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu box, select Settings option. Scroll down. Now select Call Accounts under General option. Here tap on career-related settings and then select Call Bearing. Wait until all the applications or the options gets loaded under Call Bearing. Now from this among option, that is outgoing call bearing or incoming call bearing, you can simply select any one of those options. And after you toggle the button on, enter the password. And then you will successfully turn on call bearing on Android device. Again, to turn up, simply you have to go through the same process and then toggle the button off. Enter the password again. And once you do that, you will turn off call bearing on Android. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.